So here I'm just gonna unscrew these wood screws. They're brass. I think they just hold these wooden pieces on for decoration. I'm not really sure. Here I just took off the manufacturing plate for the name. It's held in those two little holes right there by those two little screws.
You coming in?
In a minute. So this piece right here is broken. Have to glue that piece back, and this drawer has some faults. Have to re-glue that too. It moves the whole thing. It's just like a mini joint, and the glues just came off. There's a number. There's numbers on most of this, but I don't know what it means. So here I just sanded the piece with some cheap 150. Made it a lot smoother and got all the rough places out. And you can see on this one the difference. How old it looked, and that's just barely with any sanding. I'm not going to sand this one yet. I'm going to have to glue it back and then sand it where I don't mess it up even more. So I'm just going to wait to do that one. I'll show you how it works. The actual balance. There's this little lever. Okay. Now I guess it's got a rod going down through here. But when you turn this lever, that little hole gets hooked to that piece right there, and it moves it up and down. Nothing really complicated, but you can tell it's been taken apart before. There's a piece of ugly plywood on the bottom, and it's not on this side. I'll just keep it on there instead of trying to take it off and hurt it. These are what it sits on. You can unscrew them to make it level with that piece. But next, I think I'm just going to sand the whole thing and make a plan, different steps to make it, like, you know, how you stain it or shellac it. Make a step-by-step plan on how to do it.